अंजुणे पोलिसांनी शिवले केरे घरफोडीचे प्रकरणात 5 जणांचे टोळ एक उखलले. धरल्यात तातूंतले 4 जाण बिहारचे. एकलो आसगांव हॉटेलात हाऊसकीपिंगाचे काम करपी, बाकीचे कन्स्ट्रक्शन सायटीर काम करपी. आसगांवचो परम चोडणकार बेकरेत काम करपी 23 वर्सांचो तरणाटो ह्या चोरयेचो मास्टर माइंड. 15 मेचे राती बेकरीवाल्याच्या घरात चोरी करून सगळ्यांनी फुज्यो मारिल्ल्यो. भांगर, एंटीक सनग्लासीस, कॅमेरा, 3000 युरोज असे मिळून 15 लाखावयर रुपयांच्या मालांचे ताणी हात मारिल्लो. साळगांवचे घर फोडीतूय तांचो हात आसतलो म्हूण पुलिसांक दुबाव.
It was found that some local people along with some persons who are from Bihar and West Bengal were involved in these housebreak thefts. The housebreak thefts were of a very high value. Once we identified the person, several teams were dispatched at the same time with some teams were tracking down the accused in Goa, some were in Bengal, Bihar and also in Delhi. Coordinated and simultaneous operations were conducted at all the 4 places, and we were able to arrest 5 accused persons who were involved in some way or the other in the burglary, and also those accused persons who were involved in the actual housebreak were identified. We have recovered antique pieces, we have also recovered some electronic items, and we have recovered some euros. So these are all those items which were mentioned in the during the initial investigation of the case, which have been suitably linked, which have linked the accused persons to the case. So we have a very strong case. It was excellent work.
प्रुडंटा खातीर नवसो राज साळगांवकार.